Hello coders and welcome to another How to Code Well PHP tutorial. Today we're going to be focusing on array_pop. Now this will pop an element off the end of the array and it will also return that element as well. So let's get into the code. Let's create a variable called data and assign that to the return of the array_pop function. Before I complete the arguments of this function call, let's go and take a look at the documentation. We can see that it will pop the element off the end of the array. This is the link to the documentation if you want to find out more information. It only has one argument, and that is the array. This is the array to get the value from. It will return a mixed data type. This is because it returns the last value of the array that you've supplied. If array is empty or not an array, then null will be returned. Okay, so what we need is an array to play with. So let's go back into the code and create that now. So what I need to do is create an array of items. These items are going to be apples and pears. And we're going to supply items to the array pop function call like so. So what this is going to do is it's going to remove the pears from the items array because it's going to pop off the last element of the array. It's also going to assign that element to the data variable as well. So let's go ahead and print these out. I'm going to do var_dump of data, and I'm also going to do a print pre, and underneath that a print_r of items. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the browser and access this file. But before I do so, I just want to say that I've got a local server running in PHP, and I've got a tutorial that's linked in the show notes below that demonstrates how you can use the internal PHP local server. So once you've got that set up, go to your browser and access this file. The first output here is the data. Now this is the last element that was popped off of the items array. The second output is the print_r statement. Now this returns the array of the items. Now notice that we no longer have pears because we've popped that off of the array. Let's go back into the code and let's just demonstrate that further. So before the array pop on line 3, I'm going to do a print_r of items. We're also going to move the print pre tag right to the top as well. And then let's save the work and then refresh the page. So this is the original array, the array of items. We have apples and we have pears. We then use the array pop to pop off the last element of this array, which is pears. Because we use the array pop function, we no longer have pears within the items array. But what happens if there is only one item in the array to begin with? So let's go back to the code. What I'm going to do is just remove this line here. We're going to copy all of this and we're going to paste it under here like so. And we're going to just remove the print pre. We don't need that. We're going to change items to be item 1 like so. And we're also going to change data to data 1. And we're going to remove pears. So this is going to return the last element of this array. Now there's only one element in this array and therefore it's going to be apples. So let's hit save and then go into the browser and refresh the page. So in this example, items only has one element, which is apples. We're going to use the array pop to pop off the last element of that array. Therefore, this is apples. And then we return the changed items array because, of course, array pop changes the items array. And of course, because we've used array pop, we no longer have anything in that array. If you found this tutorial helpful, then do let me know, give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to the How to Code Well YouTube channel to get more tutorials like this. If you've got any coding questions, then please do ask, but do so on our Discord server. Go to howtocodewell.net/Discord to join our Discord community. Thanks ever so much for watching. Happy coding, everybody. I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Cheers. Bye.